The young man picked up another big leak today. It was a Lamborghini supercar model toy car from 5 years ago. It turned out that the young man went to his father-in-law's house to visit relatives today and accidentally found this rusty model car in the corner of his nephew's room. When he saw this model car, the young man was immediately attracted by the eye, and he could think of how gorgeous and cool he used to be. After telling the news to his nephew, the nephew couldn't believe it at all, thinking that the young man was in a whimsical fantasy, and the model car had been scrapped like this. How could it be restored as before? The young man was full of confidence in this, saying that he could definitely do it. Seeing the young man's firm eyes, the nephew finally agreed to let the young man take it, and the young man also took it back home and started his repair work. Without further ado, let's watch the complete restoration process together. Seeing the end will definitely open your eyes.